Butternut squash is the perfect thing for risotto with saffron. The saffron's really spicy, and the butternut squash is really sweet. When you're peeling butternut squash, you want to use a nice sharp peeler, not those sort of vegetable peelers that you find in the hardware store. You want something really good, and this one's really sharp. This is the quickest way I find to peel it. Just peel the entire outside, and then get a really good, big, sharp knife, major knife. Cut it in half. Keep your fingers out of the way, just like that. Cut off the end like that. So stand it up, cut it in half. You can boil this, but instead I'm going to actually roast it. I think it really brings out the sweetness, sort of caramelizes it a little bit. So this part's the easy part. Just a good dice. So that's the top of it. And then the bottom, I'm just going to cut it in half, take out the seeds. You can actually roast those, they're like pumpkin seeds. But I prefer the butternut squash. And then again, just do big cubes. They don't have to be perfect squares, so don't obsess about it. Okay, that's one butternut squash. A little olive oil, salt and pepper. Okay, toss it all together. Into the oven, 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's really tender and sweet. Butternut squash is already in the oven. It smells so good. I need 6 cups of chicken stock. I really like to use homemade chicken stock, but if you don't have it, use a can. Okay, now some pancetta. Pancetta is Italian bacon, but frankly, any kind of good quality bacon would do too. So I'm just going to dice it up. It gives great flavor to risotto. So some butter, about 6 tablespoons into the pot, and the pancetta. I need 2 large shallots, or about a half a cup. Okay, now I need 1½ cups of arborio rice. It's the Italian rice, really special for risotto. I'm just gonna pour it right in. Okay, that's good. All the rice is coated with butter, so it's perfect. Now I'm gonna add a half a cup of white wine. Now this is the key to good risotto, is you wanna add chicken stock by the ladleful, 2 ladles at a time. If you add it too fast, the risotto cooks on the outside and not on the inside. If you add it too slowly, it gets mushy. 2 ladles, and then I'm gonna add the key ingredient, which is saffron, which I love. It's spicy. It's the stamens of crocuses, which is why it's so expensive. About a teaspoon of saffron, give it a stir. And then probably take about 25 minutes. As the stock is absorbed into the rice, you just want to add another few ladles full. Needs just a little more stock. Butternut squash is perfect. You want to do this as soon as the risotto is completely cooked and the rice is done. Just stir it in. And the last thing I need is 1 cup of grated Parmesan, and this is the most delicious lunch, all in one pot. And the good news is, it's ready. A little risotto, Stephen?
It's my favorite meal.
It is?
Yes.
Oh, good. Butternut squash risotto.
Oh, that sounds great. I've never had that.
A little Parmesan?
Thank you.